This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I'm on the Amadeus Cara, where you're going to do a room tour of a balcony room, 315. So we're going to go over here. They have a walk-in closet. Some robes, hair dryer, shoe mitt, looks like a shoe horn, a safe, and then some extra storage. There's nothing over there. They do have 2 plugs, European plugs, but if you have to charge your phone or a CPAP and put it right there, super easy. You don't need like an extension cord or anything. Bathroom right here. And so your audio device for when you're doing tours. We have some storage, mini bar, oh, and pricing. So, some storage up there. I have a little alarm clock, and then 2 more plugs. And storage. Now, I believe this is, and I can't do this because I'm not staying in this room, I'm just touring the room, but we got it open. Now this is going to come down, kind of like a, to give you a balcony feel. They have a button over here. But we're not going to do it all the way down because it's super windy. But it'll come down and then you can look out. So not a separate balcony. That is it. Amadeus Cara, a balcony room.